Right, let me show you a way to save money, and maybe this is classed as a little life hack as well for you. When your washing machine is leaking and you don't know where it's coming from, and then when you find the problem, it's coming from the waste pipe. As you can see here, we have a puddle of water and it's coming out of the bottom of the waste pipe. Obviously there's a split. Now, to save you money, instead of replacing the whole waste pipe, I'm just going to repair the hole. And how I'm going to do that is by using PTFE tape and some electrical tape. Let me show you how to do it. So I've just put the washing machine on pump. Whatever water's left is going to go down the waste pipe, and as you can see here, there's our hole. There you go, all wrapped up, and let's hope it's watertight. I'm just going to press start on the machine. Whatever water's left in the machine will go down the waste pipe like before, and this time we shouldn't see any spray. Job's a good one. I hope that video was easy for you to follow. It is just a case of wrapping PTFE tape around the waste pipe where the hole is, and then drying it out, putting a bit of electrical tape just for added security. Now the water's been pumping through, we haven't got any splashes or spills of the water. Job done. If you'd like to see more money saving tips, please carry on watching other videos of ours, and don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. I need to clear up this mess now.